Insertion in linked list. Now, insertion operations, if you have a linked list, you can insert a node. So in insertion, either you can insert at the beginning, or you can insert a new node at the end, or you can insert in middle somewhere. So I'll have insertion at beginning of linked list, or insertion at end of linked list, or insertion in middle. So these three different positions we can insert a node. So we'll see first insertion at beginning. What is insertion at beginning? Whenever I say insertion, always see, whenever I am inserting a new node, I have to create a new node. Then I have to insert according to position. So first we have to create a new node. Assume initially list is empty. So what will happen? This first pointer initially will be null. So what does it mean when first is not pointing anywhere? That means it is empty list. And we have empty list and we are inserting at the beginning. So what will happen? If first is null and you are inserting a new node, created new node. See, new node is created. How to create new node we have seen by means of function malloc. So new node is created. Information field, whatever you want to give, that is set. Now see, as first is null and you are inserting at the beginning, what happens? This will be the first node. This will be the first node. So you have to set this pointer as null and this pointer as first. Now only one node will be there. You are inserting when linked list is empty. One node is created. This node, as we are inserting at the beginning, there are no nodes. You are inserting at the beginning. So at the beginning, only one node will be there. So linked field, you have to set it null. And first should point to this. This is one special case when linked list is empty and you are inserting at the beginning. Assume that in second case, first is not null. First is not null and you are inserting at the beginning. Means what? You have already a linked list containing some nodes and this is first. Now what in first case, empty linked list we have inserted, this will be the scenario. In this case, first is not null and you are trying to insert at beginning. So what will happen? I have to create one node. Steps are same. I have to create new node. This is pointed by new. Means you have written malloc, called malloc function for allocating memory block of this structure size. You are giving information field whatever you want to give. Then see, when I am inserting in this list at the beginning, this will be attached to this existing linked list at the beginning. So where this pointer should point? This field is pointer field. So where it should point? It should point to this node. Means this node's address should be here inside this. So always first set link field of new. So this is set first. And then after insertion of a new node, which node will be the first node? This node will be the first node. So first should not point now here when after insertion. This first should point here. So you have to set these 2 pointers. Whenever you are inserting in a singly linked list, at the beginning, at the end, or in the middle, always you have to adjust 2 pointers. Always you have to adjust 2 pointers. One is this, always set whenever you are inserting any node into a linked list, singly linked list, always set first link field of new. This is first pointer you are setting. Then you change this first so that it will point to the first node. So this will be the typical scenario in insertion at beginning. So how we can write this? This will be a special case. And this, if linked list is empty, this will happen. If linked list is not empty, then you have to adjust this way. First of all, you are creating a new node. How to create new node? We can create new node by means of dynamic memory allocation function malloc, which allocates block of memory. How much memory we are allocating for a node? That is size of structure, whatever you have defined. So this size of operator is used always. Struct node that we have created. So by this statement, what will happen? One new node will be created. This much memory is given, and then it will return pointer address of this struct node to new. So new is pointing to this whatever memory block it has given. Then set link field of this information field of new. So I am giving, suppose I'll read this information from user. Integer field I am taking ampersand news info field. So info field, suppose you have entered 10, so 10 will be here. Now see, this node I have to attach somewhere. Now we are seeing insertion at beginning. What is special case in that? Special case is if this first is null. What is this condition for? This condition is for you have empty list and you are inserting at the beginning. This will be special case. Why I am saying this is special case? Because you have to set link field of this to null, right? So if first is null, then link field of new will be null, right? News link, you will be giving null value. Null can be assigned to this news link, so this will be null. Now linked list is empty, you are inserting at the beginning, so this node will be the first node. So you have to change first now. First is given, this will be first. So what is address of this new node? New. So first you are changing and that you are giving new. So what will happen here? Now first will also point to this node. So this acts as a special case when linked list is empty and you are inserting. But if linked list is not empty, else part, else, what I have to do? I am assuming this empty linked list we have tackled. Now if linked list is not empty, Now linked list has some nodes like this. This is first. Linked list is not empty in this case. Already by this statement you have created one new node. This is pointed by new. Now information field you have set already. Suppose 1. First is null, first is not null, so it will go to else part. Now always set, see, always in insertion 2 pointers we have to adjust. One is this pointer field and one you have to change first value. In this case at the beginning. So first set link field of new first. So how to set this, how to access this field? News link field. Where should it point? To this node. What is address? Where is address of this node? First. So first is given here to this field. So first is given to this field so that it is pointing to this. Now this link we have adjusted one link. We have to adjust 2 links. First should point to this node now because this will be at the beginning. And first should contain first node's address. After insertion this will be the first node. So this first you have to change. Whatever you have to change, that we will write on left hand side. First is given this node's address new. That's it. This is first. Now after this we have tackled a special case, and if linked list is not empty we have adjusted the pointers. So this is insertion at beginning. Now if you say whether insertion at beginning is easier, yes, it is easier. Its time complexity actually is constant time, big O of 1. Why this is case? Because whatever we are doing, that will be done in constant amount of time. In turn, insertion at end, that may be big O of n if you don't have last node's address. So this is all about insertion at beginning. What exactly we have to do, that we have seen. So you can write function for this also. See, when you are writing function, now you are telling somebody, see, I have this list, you insert one new node at beginning, you are calling somebody, you don't want to do, you are calling somebody, see, this is list, I have, you change. Now whenever I am giving first node's address, see, I can convert this into functions also. So what you have to think in this case is whether you are changing first in this particular program. Yes, first will be changed because you are adding at the beginning, so first will change definitely. In that case, if first is changed by a function, see what is happening here. I am telling somebody, see, this is first node's address and you add one new node at the beginning. This is what, when he adds in a node at the beginning, then first is changed by him. Now whatever change he is making, that may not be visible to me if I call this function by value. Means I am sending first node's address. He changing that, but I may not be, it is not visible because this is called by value concept. So if I want the changed thing to be reflected to me also, he has to return me the first node's address, right? So either I have to send first node's address by reference, first node by reference, or he should return me. So in this case, I'll tell you how to write this function struct node star is return type for this function, then insertion at beginning, and call by value I am using struct node star. Suppose I am taking first. I'll write for short, I'll write this. So what is happening? This is other person I am giving him address. That will be call by value. That address will be copied into f now, right? But whatever he is changing, that may not be reflected back to the caller because this is call by value. So in turn, I want to send whatever change the function is making in the first, that will be returned to the caller. So this way I can do. So this will be my signature. Now rest of the things that will be similar to this. What extra you have to add? This, what is new? This is structure pointer. You have not declared. So you have to declare this. Struct node star new. This declaration is over. I am using this. Now in place of first, what I have to use? Whatever address you are passing, that is f. Now here I'll make wherever first, I'll make that as f. Now f you are changing. If f is not equal to null, then if equal to null, then you are adjusting the pointers. If not equal to null, means it is not empty list, you are adjusting the pointers. You are reading the value. You have adjusted 2 pointers. That is over. Now this function returns, as first is being changed, that should be reflected back to caller. So the first node's address is in f now, that you have to return. So at last I have to write return f. That's it. This is now a function. It will work fine for insertion at beginning. You may add anything here, printf, enter the value. Then I am reading here in this. So whenever I call this function, how to call this function from a caller? Suppose I say main is my function from where I want to call this. I am sending only first node's address. So I have a linked list. How to call this? See, I am taking struct node star first here, and that I am initializing to null. One first variable which points to first node. Now whenever I call this function insert beginning and I am sending first node's address, it returns me the address of first node, because after insertion there is a change in first node's address made by this function. So what it returns? First node's address, that I have to collect. That again I'll assign to first. Now first, what will happen? See, whenever first time you are inserting at the beginning, first is null, null will be passed. So f will be null. New is pointer variable declared created. Size of struct node will be allocated, that will be given as new. One way value will be read into new. Now if f is null, now in this case when I called it first time, this first is null, f is null. When f is null, So what will happen, news link whatever you have that you are setting to null, and then f is given new y. So this, after this control comes return f. Whatever you have written this, change the value of f, that will be returned, and that will be assigned to first in this caller, Then if I want to insert another time, I'll call again insert at beginning first, and I'm writing this. So what will happen for second call? Now after this first has been changed. Because this f value, whatever returned value, that value will be assigned to first. Now first is not null. So when again insert beginning will be called, then what happens? New node is created, new field is set. Now this condition is false, so it will go to else part. Then it will set the pointer. News link will be given to f, because whatever node's address you have, new is given to f. F has been changed here because we are inserting always at beginning, so first will be changed. First is changed, so that you are returning, and that will be set here. So what is happening in this case? First is null. Whenever first call, control goes here, this will be null. New node is created. See, new node is created. This is new. You are reading one value into this. F is null. The first call, f is null. It will come here. News link is null. You are setting news link null. New is given to f. Means this is pointed by f now. Control comes out and return f, means this f whatever will be returned, and that will be assigned to first. Now in this main, first has been changed. Now this first is also pointing to this memory now, because it is assigned to first. Now whenever insert beginning first is called, this address will be sent. Again new node is created. This is new. Information field is given. Then here f is not null now, because first is pointing this has been sent. So f is not null. It will go to else part. F is given to news link. F is pointing here, right? So f, this node's address you have sent. So f is given to news link. This is news link. This will point here. And then new is given to f, means f will point here. And return that f. This node's address you are returning back to first. So first also points to this. So this is all about insertion at beginning, and we said this is big of 1 in constant amount of time. This will be, there is no need of traversing or processing. If linked list empty, this will be done constant amount of time. If linked list is not empty, this will be done in constant amount of time. So always insertion at beginning will be complexity big of 1. That is constant time is required. So we'll see insertion at end, which is big of n, and how we can make that big of 1, that is constant amount of time. That also I'll take in next video.